it ain't hard to see. This is the lobby where we had to greet ya, and everybody here is just glad to see ya. Baby on the way, free pregnancy test. These rooms over here be relieving your stress. You're also gonna need a good doctor cares, and we got that too, he's right over there. Nurses, techs, and ultrasounds, 4D technology is going down. And this is just the start of what you had to see. There's so much more to our family. Yeah.
We are family.
I got all my people, y'all.
I got all my people with me. We are family.
Hey, hey.
Get up, everybody, and sing.
We might just come to a school in your community with positive potential beyond just purity. We fight the new drug and whatever's next up. Did you guys know you can even text us, supporting these mamas and babies, and we're glad too. But did you know that we're here for the dads too? Diapers, wipes, clothes, and essentials. Earn while you learn and you're reaching your potential. I know we've all had us a duct tape moment, but we got some better tools keeping us rolling. Every time I'm here, I'm just glad to see empowered parents, strong families. Yep.
We are family.
We are family.
I got all my people with me. We are family.
Hey, hey, yeah.
Get up, everybody, and sing.
We some hope dealers with a job to do. Wanna be a hope dealer, got a job for you. Take a baby bottle, then bring it back. It's called Change for Change. Who got change for that?
Everybody got change for that. Everybody got change for that.
But we some hope dealers with a job to do. You wanna be a hope dealer, got a job for you. Take a baby bottle, then bring it back. It's called Change for Change. We got change for that.
Everybody got change for that. Everybody got change for that. We are